Bobby, slide it in, baby. Slide it the fuck in. Give me fucking minimal wear gloves. I don't know if I want Factionu, I'm not gonna lie. Factionu is quite... He's gonna want like 1.3k, bro. Chet, where do we think is the biggest profit margin on the gloves right now? Is it minimal wear, low float? The thing is, he also wants to overpay for float. Do we know if it jumps? If you get gloves offered for 0.07 float, does he want like double of normal minimal wears?